Hi, hi guys. Our trust, global trust, is a grantor trust, and it's still functioning. It's still functioning because I have inherited it. Grantor trust is our main trust. It's a revocable living trust. It's not a estate. Those inheritance that falls under the category of estates will be anything that my predecessor that they have personally allocated it into their uh, personal will or testamentary letter, how they wanted their estate to be distributed, right? So as for our trust, main trust is a grantor trust, is a revocable living trust, and inside of that trust we have sub trusts, okay? Like those two deals that I cut with the banking cartel, okay? Those two are considered as the sub trust, and a lot of funding can be withdrawn from there, okay, but of course it is not for any reckless or frivolous spending. Everything have to be properly vet through, okay. As for fiduciary taxation, right, that you guys are saying, um I do pay taxes, but it's only for those trusts that are used for generating any income, okay, under my name. So let's say it's a trust account that is not generating any income, right? It is just sitting there in the bank. Then it should not be paying for any taxes. It shouldn't be paying any taxes because I do not get any income generated from those trust accounts. It's only those how to say, our monies that have been allocated into sub trusts that we have been generating businesses or investment, or and it has produced returns. Those are the ones that will be subjected to pay taxes. All right. So I hope that can be looked into and sorted out, because we have so many trusts, but not every trust uh, need to be pay any tax. Okay, most of it are actually just not generating income. It's just a trust to keep our uh, inheritance. Just like I said, when you put anything into especially my main trust, most of it we will not be selling it anymore. We will just keep the assets inside the trust. For anything that has to be sold off, right, we will have to um, divide it, take it out from the main trust, and do the distribution based on what has been agreed by all stakeholders, I'll say, to distribute the amount of monies that we wanted to disperse. Just like the most recent one, I see the Arab leaders, they have allocated 53 billion for Gaza's rebuilding of Gaza. So like for that kind of rebuilding projects, it will falls under a sub trust. So personally, I do not have to pay tax for that, but the sub trust has to be paying tax for the spending that are spent on Gaza. All right. I hope that can clear up a bit of our how we should go about our trust. And you guys as accountants and CPA or attorneys, I think you knew more about this than me. But as for my side, if you talk about tax, right? I believe when it was Biden's admin, I have contributed a few times of taxes as a grantor to assist the government spending, government's budget. All right. So I don't know which country might need that kind of assistance, like from time to time. You might need that kind of assistance from my trust. Then we will have to look into it, whether it's doable or permitted by law or not to be done, because my trust mainly it was set up in the US, right? That's why it's been administered or managed or handled by the US US legal team. Okay. So any other countries that have sub trusts, and sometimes the government might need some um, assistance, right? Then I may contribute. I may contribute, but it will not be a fixed term. It will be like ad hoc. I think that is better. Okay. I hope that you can look into it. Okay, guys. Thanks.